Thanks for joining us here at Mid-Morning. I'm Heather Brown.
And I'm Jason DeRusha. It's a Friday feel here on Mid-Morning, right, Heather?
We're feeling good.
Yeah,
I'm all ready to go in on dirty dishes.
All right, I'm excited about Angry Heather just letting it rip here on the morning show.
I don't know. Our
today.
producer, Aaron, he must have known that I was doing them at 3 a.m. I couldn't leave the house this morning without them being done.
You were doing the launch? Oh, my gosh. All right, we'll talk more about that later. Let's bring you up to date about the vaccine clinics all over the state. They are getting in the swing of giving out shots. There have been issues. No surprise, I guess. 3,200 teachers and child care workers did show up at Roy Wilkins Auditorium in St. Paul yesterday to get their shot. It was the local school districts who prioritized who would go first yesterday. The idea was to get it to the preschool teachers, the kindergarten, first, second grade teachers. Those staff members got a sign-up code to be able to do it. But the problem was some teachers in those targeted areas ended up on wait lists because apparently some staff members were forwarding their invite to other teachers and staff members as well. So something they'll work on in the future. In Blaine, we saw long lines outside the National Sports Center. Kind of cold out, right? People were told they could wait in their cars, but many did not want to do that. They didn't want to lose their place in line, so they stood out there in the cold, health officials say. The vaccine doses did arrive on time, but they opened the doors about 13 minutes behind schedule, so things got backed up a bit. One woman told us she thinks the confirmation email should at least warn people of the chance they could be standing outside for a while.
Dress warm, hat, mittens, warm coat, everything. Dress like you're going to, you're going ice fishing, I guess.
Bloomington students are going back to full distance learning after just a couple days of in-person learning because of a new outbreak. It's not in the schools, but the superintendent of Bloomington says their transportation department has a significant number of people with the virus. So if you can't have your bus drivers taking kids to school, that has made them make this move. So all early childhood, preschool, and elementary school classes will go back to distance learning for 2 weeks. Older students have been doing distance learning the whole time.
Wisconsin still has a mask mandate this morning after lawmakers backed off on their repeal in a last-minute switch. The state assembly was poised to seal that deal yesterday. This came one day after the Republican-controlled Senate also voted to overturn the mask mandate. But just before lawmakers were set to vote, they learned that dropping the state's public health emergency would mean that they'd also lose nearly $50 million in federal assistance. So they're working on a plan to keep the aid but still repeal that mask order.
We are going to take time and work with the Fiscal Bureau in the legislature, along with all of the appropriate agencies to guarantee that when we pass SGR 3, and we will pass it, that we do it in a way that does not have any potential financial implications for the state.
A vote could happen as soon as this week.
Guess it's good they figured that out before they voted instead of after, and all of a sudden $50 million is gone. Yeah. First check of the weather now from Riley O'Connor. Riley, everybody wants you to skip by today and tell us about the snow. Tell us, is it going to snow? How much is it going to snow?
We are going to get a little snow coming tomorrow, but you'll have to stick around for the main weather to get that information. I know. Right. Dun, dun, dun. Isn't that what we always do? We love to tease you, don't we? We're going to start off, well, really the big weather topic for today is just the warmer weather. We're not looking at those negative digits that we have the last couple of mornings, specifically up to the north. Much warmer today versus yesterday. We start off this morning, 17 in the Twin Cities, lower 20s off toward Marshall and Worthington. We've had a few flurries being reported here in the Twin Cities, but off toward the west and southwest, some freezing fog, kind of the issue, that sort of thing. So be aware of that if you're going to be traveling around. Weather Watcher is going to be red for today. We are going to have a bit of a warmer day, even though we're dealing with plenty of clouds out there. Holding at 19, so we've only warmed up 2 degrees. It's feeling more like 7, though, when you're heading out. The east-southeast wind about 11. You'll notice it's hazy out there, too, kind of foggy. Visibility right now at 8 miles per hour. Or 8 miles. You can see up to the north right now, holding in the lower teens versus the 20. So we really haven't warmed up too much statewide today. Forecast going to hold those clouds around up to about 25 to 27, so closer to average. Southeast wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then your sunset tonight will be at 5:17. Now we may see a little patchy freezing drizzle overnight tonight, mainly north of 94, and then tomorrow we'll see that snow moving in. I'll talk more about the totals. That's one of two systems. We'll be watching another one next week. Details coming up in just a little bit.
Good tease, Riley.
Very good. Well done. All right. Thank you.
St. Paul police need your help finding the person responsible for a deadly hit and run last night. Investigators say that a woman was near East 7th and Eichenwald Street when a car hit her. She died later at the hospital. Police say she was in her 60s. Minnesota prosecutors are pushing harder to delay the trial of a former Minneapolis police officer. Derek Chauvin is charged with murdering George Floyd. This is after Chauvin held his knee to Floyd's neck last May. Chauvin's trial is scheduled for March, but prosecutors want it delayed, they say, because of COVID. They say it's a public health risk because many Minnesotans still won't be vaccinated, and there's a potential for protests. Prosecutors want Chauvin to be tried sometime this summer, and they want him to be tried with the 3 other officers that are charged in Floyd's death. The judge refused that first request, so now the state is appealing his ruling.
Flu remains mostly non-existent in Minnesota, likely because of all the precautions people are taking against COVID. The latest weekly numbers show hospitalizations are still extremely low, only 27 to date. There have been 3 deaths due to influenza so far this year, compared to 153 last year. We sort of thought this was going to happen with people kind of not going to work and not going to school and all of that. So here we are.